he's just on that last little bit. I just gotta grab this net. Come on in. This guy just spit the hook right. Oh, there he goes too. Well, he jumped out of the net. That's do it yourself.
A do-it-yourself trip can be incredibly rewarding, but it can humble you just as quickly. I've always said, you're only as good as your net man. On this episode, I'm in Northern Ontario at Pine Sunset Lodge on Denoric Lake, a true do-it-yourself destination. We were on the hunt for giant muskie, northern pike, and feisty fall smallmouth bass.
Ooh, ferret's a fish. Oh, is he still on? Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, smaller guy, but not bad. Good thickness and good jump at it.
Only minutes down the road, the trees opened up and we got our first look at Pine Sunset Lodge. Cabins tucked into the shoreline, boats lined up at the dock, and Denoric Lake stretching out in front of it. Simple, welcoming, and exactly what you want to see after a long day on the road.
Where's the fish? That's probably a bass there, nice. He was just sitting by those rocks, little green and white clouds where it's pretty hard to beat it. Nice size here too. Wow, doesn't get much better than that. That's a lovely size bass.
Denoric Lake holds everything an angler could hope for. Let's get out there and see what this incredible fishery has in store.